So the Hutong Education is really excited to have begun offering online programs for schools. We're really excited to actually take a lot of the great programming we do out on the road and bring that to a really meaningful online experience for students. We really focus on creating a blend of impactful learning experiences for students. That could include cooking, things like our online hunt through history, different online games that are really fun and engaging that we do with students.
The teacher said, since the pandemic, we've already got too many of online class. The students are tired of this. But in the Hutong Online program, it's more interactive and it's more engaging.
I'm your tour guide today. So follow me. Let's go to Baisha.
We're about to go on an epic trip through time and space to meet those historical characters, and only the power of wiggling fingers can turn it on. I see you there. Is that Charmander? Oh, I see many students.
That hunt through history helps students to learn about history. It wasn't an online experience before. So what we do is bring that online, dressing up in a costume, and then look really fun, look very interesting.
Brothers, come.
首先要做一个介绍，让学生们来了解一下这个人物他在三国那个期间发挥了什么样的作用。然后呢，会给学生 interview 的时间，让他们去问问题。最后再会给他们挑战。
Right, and there you are, Zhang Fei. We got you.
Hi, I want to have a question to you all. Is anyone want to share? What's my role in establishment of Shu Kingdom? Anyone?
So just make it silly and fun, so students feel like I'm not here just to learn. You are telling me this knowledge, I have to absorb. But now it's like I'm having fun and I'm learning.
就像所有的我们的活动一样，就是做到最好。我觉得这个其实还真的是很不错的，学校给我们很好的 feedback。
When I plan to have online classes, first of all, one thinking is it will be easy for my guests to get ingredients. We like our programs to really like share the culture, share knowledge, and we really want to have the kids to have some learning experience from actually doing things. So when we design our programs, our goal is how do we make this program more hands-on? My goal for cooking class online is a bit ambitious. I just do believe that this kind of experience can bring people together from all the world and bring the international Hutong communities online.
Our hope for the future is that we can continue to grow. We have much more that we still want to explore in terms of what we can do in China, but we certainly have designs and a vision for the future that takes the Hutong outside of China.
Bring that model to other parts of Asia is something that we feel passionate about no matter where we are operating.